The two biggest problems in air conditioning are the cost of operation and poor indoor air quality, both of which come from the biofilm growing on the coil, which consists of mold, bacteria, and viruses. The biofilm is also the cause for most odors. It blocks the space between the coils, restricting the airflow. It covers the coil fins, reducing heat transfer, making it more difficult to make temperature. Steril Aire's emitters destroy the biofilm, causing it to drop away from the coil, leaving the coil clean. Bacteria and viruses that enter the building are distributed by the air conditioning system, pass through the filters, and return to the other occupants, causing sickness, and if there are airborne infections, spreading them. Steril Aire's UVC emitters can destroy some bacteria, viruses, and mold products traveling in the airstream. The benefits of Steril Aire's emitters include energy savings, reduction in electric bills, reduction in carbon footprint, destruction of mold in ducts, reduction in use of cleaning chemicals, automatic coil cleaning, increased productivity, water conservation, extension of produce shelf life, protection of artwork, and perhaps saves lives. Please contact your local distributor or contact us via the web at www.steril-aire.com.